We are pleased to show you the 2025 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.